Take a ride in the 2018 Jeep Renegade. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, electronic parking brake, roof rails, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, ambient lighting, power brakes. Inside you'll find rear view camera, airbags, driver, knee, audio radio, touch screen display, electronic messaging assistance, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, tachometer. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.